Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn how to make tom brown with only 2 grains. We have a lot of videos with so many grains, but today only 2 grains, and we are using corn. This is yellow corn. You can decide to use white corn, there's no problem about that. And this is soya bean. I do not peel this particular one. You can decide to peel yours, okay? It all depends on what you like, okay? And why I do not peel it is because I'm going to use this particular tom brown for fufu. All right, you can also make it as porridge. There's no problem about that. I have a lot of videos of different ways to make tom brown, which I will link up on this particular video. This is my toasting pan. You can decide to use any pan you have. There's no problem about that, and it has been preheated. As you can see, the heat is on, and I'm going to toast it on a low heat, and we are going to start with soya bean. Now we keep mixing and mixing until this soya bean is golden brown. By then you know that it is ready. But don't bother yourself. I will also show you when it is golden brown so that you will know exactly what you are doing. Alright? As you can see, the color has changed. You don't have to allow it to be too brown on the base, because if you allow it to be too brown, before it will get cold, it will be dark and it will show the taste of the tom brown. So this is ready and beautiful. So we will remove it from the heat and bring in the corn. Alright? This is corn. That is the next we are going to toast now. And this golden brown as well. While the other one is trying to cool down as it fades out, we will go ahead with this one. It is very, very easy. Before you know it, if you go to the shop these days, tom brown is very, very expensive. Therefore, it's very better for you, very good for you and yourself in the house, and also the shop of what you are eating. Alright? So this is golden brown now. As you can see how beautiful it is. It is ready, there's no doubt about that. We will also remove it, spread it out, and allow it to cool before mixing it together with the soya bean. Keep watching. Have you subscribed to this channel? Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the bell button to subscribe anytime you see the new video, share this video, like the video, and of course, keep watching. Now that the toasted soya bean is cool, what I will do is to mix both of the grains together to combine. Okay, this is both of them. After that, I will add some salt for preservative. You can decide to add ginger, but I am adding only salt because this particular tom brown is not plenty. And after adding it, I will mix the combine. Now that the grains are well mixed, what I will do is to take it to the shop where I will use a commercial grinder to blend it until very smooth. I will not carry you people along this time, but when I am back, I will tell you how smooth the powder looks, okay? Keep watching. Yes, we are done grinding it with the commercial blender. I just came back from the market, alright? And this is the beautiful stuff we have. 2 grain tom brown, corn and soya bean. Very, very healthy. Right now, before putting it in here, I have sprayed it out for it to cool down before any other thing. So make sure you do exactly the way I do, because after grinding it used to be extremely hot, okay? So make sure you spray it out to cool down before storing it in an airtight container. So right now, I will make the fufu off the camera and then get back to you with my beautiful soup that I'm going to use to eat it. Keep watching. Yes, right now I am done with the tom brown fufu, and this is how it looks. This is tom brown fufu with only 2 grains and egusi soup. You know, this fufu is very healthy because it's full of fiber, and you know it is very good to add fiber in our daily meal. There are a lot of health benefits of fiber, so always make sure you add fiber in your daily meal and see you live long. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Always remember, subscribe, like, share, and drop comment.